everyone, it's Stephanie here, and I'd just like to share with you a quickie video in which I'm creating a resin glitter background using both color and glitter together. And then I'll be creating a painting over that once the background cures. So I have mixed two colors. At first I tried Blue Lagoon by Color Obsession, but it wasn't dark enough. So then I used Sapphire Blue by Resin, and I'm using a glitter from Just For You Online UK. I believe it's a cobalt glitter. And the idea actually was something I saw when Miss Colorberry and Abstract Boss did their Instagram Live. She mentioned about putting glitter into colored resin. And I thought that perhaps that would even make a wonderful background as well. And I'm thinking of trying this with one of my nebula paintings. So once this cured, I decided to create a painting over it and leave some of the parts, the glitter showing through. And so what you're going to see here is that I've created this sort of stormy seascape painting, and I've left the bottom to show through, and some parts on top show the glitter. And this piece is more of a textural piece. It's something I'm experimenting with, which is using resin and having some parts be smooth and other parts have texture, which I find quite fascinating. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you like my videos, and as always, I'm happy to hear from you in the comments. Okay, talk soon.